Precise, powerful, personal. At Clinical Skin, knowledge leads the way. Compassion forges the path. We are not just backed by science. We strive to push the boundaries by taking the learnings of legacy skincare, new scientific understanding, cutting-edge technologies, and a well-aging philosophy to innovate for modern skin needs. And we do it with passion and purpose. Our comprehensive A.C.E. technology optimizes the power of every formula, experience, and product solution, motivating a not easily replicated efficiency of skin behavior. As a council of scientists and experts with long-standing industry knowledge, we aspire to inspire confidence from within at every stage of the skincare journey. We're more than a brand, more than a performance-led solution suite. Your partner on the path toward total well-being, a new alchemy of aging. Clinical Skin.